And welcome to the next session of this series solution of linear differential equation. So here we will solve some problems. We will take the first problem. Find the series solution of 1 plus x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y equal to 0. First we have to check that our point is our stationary point or not. For that we write p0 of x is equal to 1 plus x square. Right? So substitute here 0, p0 of 0 is equal to 1 plus 0 square. It is 1 and not equal to 0. Means our p0 of 0 is not equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is our stationary point. Is ordinary point. If I use the word stationary, it is wrong. Ordinary point. Okay? So we get our ordinary point here. So we can write down the solution. And our solution is y is equal to summation k equal to 0 to infinity ak x raised to k. Means I can write here a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on. Okay, and now we will find the constants and substitute that value. Now here y is equal to ak x raised to k. Find dy by dx. So our dy by dx is summation k equal to 1 to infinity k ak x raised to k minus 1. Next one is d square y by dx square. So it is summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k minus 1 ak x raised to k minus 2. Right? And now put all these values in our given differential equation. Put all values in our given differential equation. So our given differential equation becomes, I am writing all the values here, summation k into k minus 1 ak x raised to k minus 2, and this 1 plus x square added this 1 plus x square, and k starts from 2 to infinity. Okay, plus x into dy by dx. Dy by dx it is k equal to 1 to infinity k into ak x raised to k minus 1 ak x raised to k minus 1 minus summation k equal to 0 to infinity ak x raised to k is equal to 0. Now we have to simplify this equation. To simplify this equation, we multiply 1 plus x square and all terms. Here x inside the summation. Here 1 plus x square is there, so we divide it into two parts. First one is multiply by 1 and then multiply by x square. Understood? Let's do it. Let's do the calculation. Here I get multiply by 1, I get summation k equal to 2 to infinity k into k minus 1 ak x raised to k minus 2. Right? Now multiply by x square. So here plus summation k equal to 2 to infinity multiply by x square, you will get k minus 1 x raised to k and ak as it is ak x raised to k. Okay, now multiply by x. So here plus summation k equal to 1 to infinity k ak x raised to k. Right? And last one is minus, I am writing here minus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x raised to k is equal to 0. Understood this step? Now, if you have understood this step, our next step is here. Everywhere the power is x raised to k, so no problem, same power. But here the power is k minus 2. So for that, write down k is equal to m is equal to k minus 2. So here k minus 2 is equal to m. In the first step only, I am writing this only in first step. Others, just k equal to m we will write for the same notation. So here I get k is equal to m plus 2. Okay, my k starts from 2 means my m starts from 0. 0. So I get the first summation. Summation k is equal to, not k, it is m. M is equal to 0 to infinity. Okay, k is m plus 2. M plus 2 into m plus 1. K means m plus 2 x raised to m. Understood the first step? We write in terms of m. Now here the x raised to k power is there. Call that k as m. So my m, next series is m is equal to 2 to infinity m into m minus 1 am x raised to m. Just a simple notation I use. Instead of k, m I use. Then plus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m am x raised to m. Right? And now the last term is minus summation m is equal to 0 to infinity am x raised to m is equal to 0. Okay. Now here you can check everywhere the power is x raised to m, but the starting point of each series is different. In the first series, starting point is m equal to 0. In the second series, starting point is m equal to 2. Third series, m equal to 1, and fourth one m equal to 0. We want starting point also same for all series. How we are going to do that? First few terms write down in addition separately. Just take it out and then write down the summation. Just like we will do it. See here. In the first term, my starting point is m equal to 0. So put here m equal to 0 directly. If I put m equal to 0, what I get? 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2 into 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then a 0 plus 2, that is a2. So here a2 and x raised to 0, that is 1. Plus, right, one more term. M equal to, what is the next value? M equal to 1. Put here m equal to 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Then 1 plus 1, it is 2. Then a3 x. X raised to 1, that is x. Okay. Plus, next value is m equal to 2. So my series starts from 2. So m is equal to 2 to infinity. I get m plus 2 into m plus 1 a m plus 2 x raised to m. Understood this? See, we just taken out two terms, m equal to 0 and m equal to 1. Okay, so my series starts from 2. Now here already the series starts from 2, no problem, right as it is. So plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m minus 1 am x raised to m. Okay, so this series is already starts from m equal to 2 to infinity. Third one, it starts from m equal to 1 to infinity. Right? But I want from 2 to infinity. So take one term outside. Substitute here m equal to 1. What I get? Plus. And write it in second. Plus. Now write m equal to 1. M equal to 1 a1. So here 1 a1 and x raised to 1, that is x. And remaining term starts from 2. So here plus summation m equal to 2 to infinity am x raised to m. Understood? Minus last term. It starts from 0. So I have to take two terms outside. Which are that? M equal to 0. I get a0 x raised to 0, that is 1 minus. Put m equal to 1 a1 x minus summation m equal to 0 to infinity. I get am x raised to m is equal to 0. Hope you have understood each and every step here. Here we take two terms outside. Here no problem, it starts from 2. Here we take one term outside, so that it starts from 2. Here we take again two terms outside. Now, whatever the constant terms take in one bracket, then terms of coefficient of x take in another bracket and equal to 0, and remaining terms are the coefficient of x raised to m. Again, take that coefficients and equal to 0. See here, we will do it. In the first term, which is my constant here, 2a2. So I get here 2a2. Right? Then again see the constant which do not contain x. Do not contain x, this term is there, minus a0. So minus a0 and take it is equal to 0. Right? So what I get here? I get a0 is equal to a2 is equal to a0 upon 2. Get a0 in terms of a1, a2 in terms of a0. Okay, understood. Next, take the coefficient of x. Which is the coefficient of x here? 6a3. 6a3. Now here coefficient x raised to m is there. We don't require x raised to m again. Here it is x. Right? What is that? a1x. So plus a1. We don't want x. Coefficient. Then constant term we don't want. We have already taken here. Minus a1. So here minus a1 is equal to 0. Means what I get? A1 get cancelled. I get a3 is equal to 0. Getting value of a3. Now coefficient of x raised to m collect. Here in the first series it is m plus 2 into m plus 1. Coefficient of x raised to m. M plus 2 into m plus 1 am plus 2. Am plus 2. Right? Next m minus 1. M minus 1 am. Next one is m am. And next one is minus am. And is equal to 0 we have to take. Now cancel few terms. What will you get? Here m plus 2 into m plus 1 am plus 2. Right? Then here plus m square am minus m am plus m minus am is equal to 0. M get cancelled. And remaining terms of am transfer to RHS and find the value of am plus 2. So here I am writing here am plus 2 is equal to minus m square minus 1 am divided by m plus 2 into m plus 1. Try to understand this step. We transfer remaining term to that side and divide by this m plus 2 m plus 1. Right? Again m square minus 1 we can write m minus 1 into m plus 1. So here my value of am plus 2 is equal to minus m minus 1 into m plus 1 am divided by m plus 2 into m plus 1. So m plus 1 get cancelled. Our answer is minus m minus 1 am divided by m plus 2. Get it? Now find the remaining values. Up to a3 we have found. Up to a3 we in our hand. Now a4. So for a4 put m equal to 2. M equal to 2. So here 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. a2. So minus a2 upon 2 plus 2 4. Right? But we know the value of a2. Value of a2 is a0 upon 2. So I get here minus a0 upon a2. Or you may write 2 into 4, no problem. Okay. One more value we will find, a5. For a5 m equal to 3. So a5 is equal to minus m equal to 3. 3 minus 1 2. a3 divided by 5. But value of a3 is 0. So a5 is 0. Similar way we can find a6, a7, a8. You can find many more values. Okay? And put these values in y. So our final answer is y is equal to a0 plus a1x. Right? Next one is plus a2x square. a2 is a0 upon 2x square. Plus a3. a3 is 0. a4. a4 is minus a0 upon 8x raised to 4. Right? a5 is 0. And dot. You can find more values. Now collect the coefficient of a0. a0 is 1 plus x square by 2. Then minus x raised to 4 upon 8 plus dot plus a1 is. So this is our final answer. Understood it?